Hey guys, so this was just sent to me. I was waiting for a bit. They said it was in at 3, but it came at 4:30, so I missed my nap. Anyway, I took one out already. Can you see what they have? This is so cute. It says sweet escape. Girl, let the man go. Best consumed by 29th of September 2020, but obviously it's going to be consumed before then. This is sweet escape. It's written here, sweet escape. Can you see it? Kenny, ice cream, yes! Hi Kit! Hi guys, I'm doing an unboxing. They just sent this to me. Hi Chef Ian, let's enjoy a sweet escape this long weekend. Love, Marlene, sweet escape. Oh, so sweet. Pun not intended, but yeah. Hi Kit! Hi the vegan Han. Hi Kutakus Komas. Hi Kuti Piggy. Yeah. I know they have a shop outlet in Taman too, and I wanted to go there, but somehow I couldn't make it there. So, and then after that, you know, the whole COVID situation started. So you know what? Let me try this first before it's like all melting. Yeah. Oh, okay. So there is the mango. They also have this. It's called Kelapa Otak. So cute, the names. Oh my god. And then this Kelapa Otak, and then they also have one more. This free. Thank you so much. Oh, this is like most probably. Oh my god, I can smell it already. This is most probably gonna be my favorite. Can you guess what this is? It says the Skinny King, like Musang King, but Skinny King. So yeah, so these are supposed to be like my Inside Scoops range of kurang manis ice cream, and it also has vegan friendly options. So these are their sorbets which are vegan friendly. Okay, so which one should we start with? I'm quite curious about the Kelapa Otak. Ooh, yeah, they did say it was ash kelapa. So, oh, let me show you the color. Check it out. I wonder whether this is like, we have Inside Scoop in Kuantan too. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I think it's written here. Do they have it in Kuantan? East Coast Mall Kuantan. Yeah, I'll read this out later because this is like I don't want it to melt yet. Well, yeah. Ooh, it's a nice texture. Look at it. So cool. Okay, I think I'm gonna have like 2 tablespoons of that. And then, you know what? I'm gonna eat this first. Yeah. Wow, it's gonna rain. I like how it's so nice and smooth. Hello, Vegan Ventures for you. Yum yum. Okay, we also have the mango. Girl, let the man go. I know Inside Scoop invited me to try out their vegan sorbets last time as well. Ooh, see, check out the color. So beautiful, the color. Is the color all natural? It looks like it's got like if I have to get this color, I have to put like turmeric in it or something. Nice. Can you guys see the color and the texture? It's really smooth and silky. That sounds so cliche, smooth and silky, like my hair is smooth and silky. Hey Asamat, you will like this. This ice cream us. We've got mango, we've got Corona Ash, and I'm keeping the best for last. Oh, which is Skinny King. Monica. Hi Monica. Do they have like the vegan do they have this range, the sweet escapes? Because it's supposed to be kurang manis. It's like, yeah, I think 20 to 30% less sweet than their normal range. Yeah, I like this because it's not too sweet. I don't like stuff that is like way too sweet. It's really interesting because it's called Sweet Escape, right? So it's like you're escaping it. It's like a play on words, right? And there are a couple of meanings to it as well, right? Because you're escaping from the sweetness, so it's not so sweet. But it's also a sweet escape from, I guess, to some people, the daily tragedy of life. Daily tragedy of life, I guess. Looks like that my life is awesome. People send me free ice cream. Plus, I'm making my own ice cream course as well, which is launching on the 1st of September. So there's loads of vegan ice cream with me right now. If you guys have seen my pictures. Texture is on point. Flavor is on point. Color is bright. I'm just hey Amir! Hi Amir! Ooh. Check it out! This is the durian. This is the one that I've been waiting for. Okay. Ah, look! I have the inside scoop. If you cannot sure, I haven't been to the mall for 5 months. Yeah, I also haven't been to a mall like since March. Yeah. Okay. Wow. I can really smell the aroma of the durian. I love durian. So this is gonna be like amazing. Okay. It already smells so good. Cool. Yeah. Durian. This is like a mukbang, right? You guys are just watching me go like Hi Bien, hi Esther, hi Shant. Do you guys have any questions about this? I can read to you like where the places are. Yeah, it says Bangsa, USJ, Taipan, Kota Kemuning, Suria, KLCC, Setia Alam, Sri Petaling, My Town, Wanatama, Ben City Independent Grocer in IPC Shopping Center, Publica. Yeah, I went to the one in Publica before. The Link, IOI Boulevard, Puchong, Queens Bay Mall, Penang, Kota Laksamana, Malacca, East Coast Mall, Kuantan, Mount Austin, Johor, the Gardens Mall, Sunway Pyramid, Old Klang Road, The Garden Ipoh, Damansara Jaya, Makota Cheras, Taman Segar Cheras, IOI City Mall, Putrajaya, Danau, Kota, and Setapak. Yeah. But on Instagram, they're like my sweet escapes, I think. No, sweet escape my. Yeah, sweet escape my. Sui gooey goa. Yeah. Hi Sui gooey goa. I'm just like testing out vegan friendly sorbets. I forgot to ask them what the pricing is. But you guys can go to their Instagram and ask them. It's at Sweet Escape MY. It's on the pinned comment. Amir May, My Town. Yeah, there's this mall called My Town. I haven't been there though. I've heard about it. Wow. This is such a treat. Let me see if I can show you the covers. This is like the Kelapa Otak. They call it coconut ash. Shouldn't it be like coconut brain, Kelapa Otak? But coconut ash sounds better than coconut brain. Nah. And then this one is the Skinny King, which is a play on Musang King because it's less sweet. And this one's the mango. Yeah, here. Girl like the mango. So on Facebook you guys can see it because I flipped the screen. But I think on Instagram you can't really see, but yeah. Nice. Thanks so much for sending this through my Marlene, right? From Sweet Escape. Guys, you should check it out if you're not planning to make ice cream. If you're planning to make ice cream, then you should take my ice cream course. I should show you guys my ice cream. Oh my god. I'll do that after this. Yeah, but well, the avocado ice cream needs like, I'll show you my ice cream as well. This is quite funny. This is like, anyway, I'll show you one. What I'm making for the my course. So yeah, I could combine it because I developed a course to teach you how to make your very own ice cream cones. Yeah, and then all raw vegan, and this one is the chocolate sauce, which is all raw vegan, and there's sprinkles as well. I've got colored sprinkles, so we could take this and put it on top of here. And then we could sprinkle all this and eat it. I've said that this has chocolate and it's already late at night, so I better not eat it, yeah. So this is what I'm teaching in my upcoming ice cream course. I also have this. And and yeah. So raw vegan ice cream bars, or maybe Magnum. But yeah. This one is raw vegan, yes, sui gooey. Yeah, I am launching the course on 1st of September. Yeah, so you can check it out. It's under my subscription. It'll be part of my subscription service. So basically people pay $25 US or $30 US a month, and then they get access to my courses. One course a month. So this month right now is the raw vegan Korean course, and then next month is the raw vegan ice cream course. Yeah, so yeah, this one's like a passion fruit ice cream thingy. Passion fruit ice cream magnum. I can't really call it my passion fruit ice cream bar. Yeah, and then this one has cacao nips on top. Can you see? Yeah. And yeah, and I also made the sauce from the chocolate coating from scratch as well, from cacao powder, cacao butter, a bit of coconut oil, and also I use Golden Melt's coconut nectar. Yeah. So yeah, so that's what you're gonna. I didn't bring the other ice cream out because it's in a container, it doesn't look that nice. But yeah, these are more cones. Yeah, raw vegan cones. We're making them out of a fruit. No, actually 2 fruits and flax seeds. But you need to join the course to find out more. Yeah. Can you put the link? I think it's patreon.com @Rochefian. Yeah, and then I'm teaching how to make healthy sprinkles as well. So these are all naturally colored. This is colored with chlorella. This is colored with raspberry juice, and this one is colored with turmeric. So it's all natural coloring as well, which will go great. I should sprinkle some on top here. Well, I'll do that at another time. Yeah. So yeah, Suntaran Munyandi. That's fun. Yeah, it is. Okay guys, if there's no other questions, I'll see you in another live. Thanks for joining me. Remember to like me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out Sweet Escape. Yeah, check out Sweet Escape for their range of vegan friendly sorbets. This one is the durian, the Skinny King. This one is the Kelapa Otak, and this one is their mango sorbet as well. And I know they have a chocolate, they have a vegan chocolate one as well. I saw at patreon.com. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, let me lick my spoon clean. And closing up. Take more photos later. I need to eat dinner soon, and I don't want this to melt too much. Bye! Oh, did something fall? See you guys around. Jacqueline, sorry we're ending now. You can watch the replay. Yeah? Here you are. So for the sorbets, it's over here, and then my stuff, it's on all the links there as well. Bye guys. End video.